Hi guys, this is Pro Baba FX. This is the reason why a lot of people lose money in the Forex market. Listen to this conversation with Tariq Collins. Thank you.
Okay, imagine I'm using a $10,000
I won't
to
answer
trade,
that question.
and you are using the $5,000 to trade. Are we supposed to make the same profit?
No?
Good. So, but why do people still want to use the same settings meant for $10,000 to use it on $5,000?
That's greed.
Because of greed. You want to use your $5,000 to make 1 billion overnight. Life is not like that.
Because you should not explain to them. It's not.
No,
MMM.
it's not about explanation. It is beyond explanation. We are listening.
I believe in my head that was like an MMM thing. Like
but no.
you put
it's
and you get
now.
and you get more.
It's
But
information.
don't get
It's
me wrong.
information.
It's how you explain to people.
That's what I'm
Don't
saying.
get me wrong.
Information. It's information. If you get the wrong information, you will do the wrong thing. If you get the right information, you will do the
You
right
can also
thing.
get the right information and still do the wrong thing.
Exactly. That's where greed comes in now. If you get the right information now, if you're getting a robot, there's a setting that they give to you. They tell you, okay, for this amount,
you're
use
getting
this settings.
This is what you're supposed to.
Yes.
So okay, if you're getting let's say you're using an iPhone 5, they'll tell you this is the charger you use. Just this charger. Don't use any other charger.
Thank you.
Because if you're in a hurry, if you use it, maybe this one will be faster. But
be ready to take the
blow your phone or
yeah.
something. Yeah. Now
it's
you
a risk
understand.
game.
Yeah, life is risk.
It's a risk game.
Guys, you just finished listening to the conversation of why people lose money in the Forex market. And right now, you're about to listen to the conversation of advantages of using